Hi friends, good night. I want to show you my new watch case right here. This is the box. We're gonna open it. So there it is. There are two cases. Let's go see. Look, this is two types of case. This is plastic and have these shiny stones around. As you can see, have these spaces for the buttons. And the other one have more shining stones all around. And this is of metal. This is more resistant. And this just have the spaces opening. And this is complete. So let's go use it. This is my iWatch. This is a SE model. We wanna put it, freeze this one. And as you can see, it's so easy to put right here. That is. It's beautiful, it's shiny, and it's perfect with any outfit. Let's go to use the other and the other. It's beautiful, as you can see. It's easy to put on it. This case makes your watch more elegant. It's perfect. I highly recommend this case. Thank you. See you.